What is up, Go2 gang? Let's get into this, all you little Amazonians. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Go2Lister to check your true profitability of your Amazon business. That way, when you go back home and you're bragging about your Amazon business, and your nosy aunt asks, "Well, how much profit are you really making?" You can pull up this page and you can show her exactly how much profit you're making. So let's dive into it. Boom, sharing my screen with you guys. This is the page where I check this page every single day. If you click on total profit, it's going to break down how much profit your Amazon business is really making. So we have all these gurus on Instagram, YouTube, including myself, who previously, I don't do this anymore, but they would share their Amazon orange bars, right? Well, we should set a new standard, guys. We should vet these fake gurus and see what profit margin are you actually operating at, and tell them to post their Go2Lister bars. So these dark orange bars here are going to tell you your true profit, and the light orange bars are going to tell you the same number that Amazon tells you. That's your gross sales. So the dark orange bar is telling you how much profit are you left with after fees, after buy cost, after all that's considered. That's what you're left with right here. Okay. So, and then if you click on this orders tab, I'm actually going to open it up here. It's going to show all your products on a per item basis here and tell you how much profit each product's bringing in. Now, if you notice that there is a cost of zero, unless you got the product for free, you need to update this. So if you click on this on Go2Lister, it's going to prompt you to update it. And since I'm doing this in incognito mode, you can't see my products. So if you're a YouTuber out there and you want to share, if you want to flex your sales or something, you can do so with Go2Lister and not have people see your products. But if you just click here, you can update your products. It's going to have the option to update all the products in the past. It'll also update products in the future as long as you enter the cost here. But if you just want to update this one item, you also can just update that. So hopefully that makes sense. In addition, if you have a bunch of products that you want to update, maybe you're coming from AccelerList or Inventory Lab, you can actually use our import cost of goods feature. So you can upload any document you have that has your SKU. Here, I'll show you how to do it right now. You select CSV file, and then you go ahead and open it. Select column. So you're going to select the SKU column, whatever column is titled SKU for you. Maybe it's MSKU, and then the cost column, whatever that is for you as well. So total cost in this case, if you download the data from Go2Lister, but if it's coming from AccelerList or Inventory Lab, you might have different columns. And all this is doing is matching those columns up with your spreadsheet. So I'll show you. This is how your data is shown from Go2Lister. So that's how you upload data from other softwares. But what I recommend doing is, if you've been using Go2Lister for a while and you have a bunch of zeros here and you want to see what your true profitability is, what I recommend you do is click download here. That's going to download all your order data in a spreadsheet like this. I went ahead and deleted all this because I know all my Go2 hustlers out there would steal my products. So can you guys see my screen? Yeah, it says you can. So I deleted all this. And what you're going to want to do is go over to total cost column and sort it by anything that says zero. So go ahead. If you guys don't have filters already, which you won't when you open it up, highlight this top row like I did right there, and then click on sort and filter. And then you'll see these filters here. Go ahead and select the filter. And you only want to show zero. That way it's only showing items without a buy cost. And then maybe your SKU has your buy cost. Maybe you remember your buy cost. Maybe you just have a rough estimate of how much you spent. Go ahead and enter any of those. So if you spent $15, enter $15. If you think you spent 10, enter 10. Get as close as you can. Try and be precise with this. And guys, remember, you won't have to do this at all if you use Go2Lister the correct way from the beginning, which is when you're creating your batch, go ahead and enter your buy cost in the batch. That's why we require users to enter their buy cost, because we want you to have I said profitable profit, and we want you to have profitable profit analytics, but we want you to have accurate profit analytics as well. So that's why we do that. And then what you're going to do after you update the file that you downloaded is go ahead and click on import COGs. Same exact thing. Select the correct columns, and you should be good to go. That's it. Let me know if you guys have questions, comments, concerns, and we do have a lot more cool features coming for you soon. We're doing a lot of inventory work, but we're doing box contents right now. So box contents is on the way. I know split shipments is a problem for you guys, so we're working on that. Much love. Catch you in the next video. Peace.